Mend with me. Hi, my name's Lauren. I teach embroidery and visible mending, and this is going to be an in-depth blanket stitch tutorial. You can use this stitch to hem your pants, finish the edges of a patch, add decorative embroidery to your clothing, to napkins, blankets, pillowcases. It's very versatile, and I hope you enjoy the tutorial.
So this is going to be how you use the blanket stitch to hem a patch. So I'm going to fold over my raw edge, and I'm going to start my needle in between my project like this, and I'm going to fold over so the knot is on the inside here and just sandwiched. And I'm going to make my first stitch by going in the same hole. It doesn't have to be exact, but just come back through. We're going to create a loop, and before it closes, you're going to make sure to run your needle through the loop. You are going to imagine how far you want to advance your stitch over and how long you want your stitch. So you want them uniform, you're going to go into the same place. If you want them staggered, you can go a little further. Say you want to get decorative with it. But here we'll make them uniform, so I'm going to advance maybe 1/4 of an inch and go down, kind of see where my last stitch was. Bring my stitch through, and before I pull it tight, I make sure my needle is caught in it. And we'll just do it one more time. I go over and down, pull my needle through, and I'm going to make sure that it is caught in the loop. So we get this nice 7 shape, L shape. Down, over. I like to just loop it out from the beginning. That way I don't have to mess with it. I find it goes pretty quickly from that point. All right, and to finish this stitch, tack this stitch down because right now it's just free flowing, so we need to tack this down. My thread is on the inside of this piece of thread right here, so I'm going to go right on the outside, and when I pull this tight, this will tack down this thread. But I don't want to tie a knot right here, I want to tie a knot down here. So before my needle leaves the fabric, what I'm going to do is just run it through this single layer of fabric. Here we go. And then we'll hold it. Hold that there. So when we pull it tight, that is nice and clean. And when I tie a knot, like so, you're going to stick it inside the loop of your knot, and I'm going to anchor that down to my fabric. And when I pull, this knot is just going to slide down the needle and stay close to the edge of the fabric. And this is just a little trick I like to use to keep the knot flush to my fabric, because you want the knot against the fabric, not way out here, because then that much of the thread can move around until you're to the knot. So you want it. So you end the blanket stitch and bury the knots.
And I just wanted to give you a few seconds of real-time use. This is embroidering the collar I posted the other day. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this useful, and I will catch you on the next.